wants to convert measurement today?
Me.
They don't sound so excited.
Oh, hold on, ready?
Me!
Oh, yay, we're all excited. We are converting measurement today, which means we're going to convert from like inches to centimeters, feet to yards.
Kilometers to miles.
Yay!
I don't have one.
Okay, cool. Our learning target, we will be able to convert between measurement systems by using proportions. Coach Groves can't talk today.
It was me, now it's you.
We love you anyway.
Okay, good. So we'll be able to convert between measurement systems by using proportions. Go ahead, write your learning target down in your journal. Pause if needed. So our first question today. A tennis court is 78 feet in length and 27 feet in width. How many meters wide is the tennis court? That's kind of a mean problem, but we're going to talk about it. Let's go over something mean first. What information is not needed in this?
Hold on. Oh, we're talking about the width. We don't need the length.
We don't need the length.
We don't need the length.
Nope.
This is just to throw you off. You don't need that. So I'm going to cross it out. We've got 27 feet in width, and it wants to know how many meters. So we're going from feet to meters. Meters. And one thing I have here, I've got 3 feet equals 1 yard. 1 yard equals 0.914 meters.
Yay.
Yay. This is called a conversion factor. You'll usually be given these on your...
If I hadn't have
formula
written
chart.
that down there, would
Yeah.
you have been able to solve this?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely
on your
not.
formula chart, you're actually given all of these for you. If they're ever going to do anything different, they'd give you the conversion factor like
on
we've
the
given,
actual problem.
Yes,
Yeah.
like we've given you here. So we're going to start by going from feet to yards. So I'm going to start by setting up a proportion, and I'm going to do feet over yards.
And why are we going to feet to yards? Why can't we just go feet to meters?
Because I don't have the conversion factor from feet to meters.
So I have to go from feet
to
to
yards,
yards
and then yards to
meters.
I'm
Yes.
just making that
So this
clear.
is like 2 steps.
Yes, it is. So one thing you're going to notice, I always write it in words first.
Here, here.
Yes, because otherwise I'll get confused. So I'm
I
going
need
to
to know
start
what
with...
goes on top and what goes on the bottom.
Exactly.
Yep.
Could I have put yards on top?
Yeah. As long as feet were on the bottom, and as long as yards were on top and feet were on the bottom over here.
You can't put feet here and then put the feet down there.
No.
Right.
It all has to
You
line
have
up.
to, that's right. You have to make sure that you're being consistent. That's the whole point of writing it in words.
Yes.
And you guys are going to get lazy and you're not going to write it in words, and that's okay. Put a letter.
Yeah.
Put a letter.
Put F-Y over W.
That's
or Y. Y.
I almost said W too. I was like, white.
So how many feet is the width of my tennis court?
27.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's upside down.
It's okay. It's right here too.
And we're looking for how many yards. And then let's throw in our conversion factor. How many feet are in a yard?
3.
3 feet, because it tells me 3 feet in 1 yard.
1 yard.
I mean, it told me that.
It did tell you.
I heard it.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
I heard the paper talked. Okay. Now I'm going to do my cross products. 27 times 1 is?
27.
Why? Okay, so hold on. So when I do it, okay, just so everybody
Yeah.
can see. When I do it, I circle it, and when I circle it, whatever it equals, it goes on this side. So can you show them the opposite over here? It's the same thing, but will you write 27 on this side over here?
So like 27
Yes,
times
ma'am.
1
Yes, ma'am.
equals 3 times
Now
X.
those are equivalent. Correct?
They are.
Because she
Okay.
put the 27 times 1 over here, but it's over here, and then 3x times, it's the same thing. So
Yeah.
we're just showing you there's different ways to write this.
Yes.
And that's okay if you write it on this side, it doesn't matter because they are equivalent.
Yes, ma'am.
What is 27 times 1?
27.
So 27 equals 3x. Now what do I need to do?
Divide.
By
3.
Divide by 3,
On
divide by
both
3,
sides.
x equals
9.
9. Oh, am I done? Am I done?
No, because that
You've got
is
the second conversion
My
to do.
yards.
That's
Ah,
yards.
that's my yards. So now let's do yards
Over meters.
over meters.
This is so much fun.
Is it?
Okay, now the camera, we got to make sure we get that. Okay.
We got
It's
it.
on
we
there.
got
It's
it.
there. So how many
9 yards.
9 yards for how many meters?
We don't know.
We don't know. Equals, what's my conversion factor?
1 yard.
Oh, God.
So 1 yard.
Point 914.
0.914. Hey, my kids have been telling me they love decimals.
Decimal
so
time.
It's decimal time. Yeah. What? Now we've got the, let's do it like Miss Newsom. She likes these on this side. So 1 times
Aw,
x
thanks.
equals, what is 9 times 0.914?
Okay, well,
Come on,
guys.
amazing
Come on, guys.
mathematician person.
9 times
Off the top of my head.
0.914. Oh, yeah.
8.226.
8.226.
Check it, am I right?
8.226.
I was right.
Oh,
I
That's
did it in
because
my
they
head.
totally cheated. So we've got 1x equals 8.226. Do I need to divide?
No, because you can't divide by 1. Well, you could divide by 1
You
if you wanted
could, but
to.
dividing by 1 gives you the same thing.
It's unnecessary.
So x equals 8.226. What's my units? Because I have to put them.
My units is meters, which is what we were solving for. It says right here how many meters.
So now you can all go tell Coach Payne a tennis court is 8.226 meters wide. Did you know that?
You can
Go give him that fun.
You can round
piece
up
of-
8.3.
Coach Payne, it's 8.3 meters wide on your tennis courts. Just so you know, they've all figured it out.
Flip
Go
it.
tell him. Are we flipping it? No, we didn't flip it.
Oh, we're doing just straight conversion.
Now we're just gonna do some straight conversions here.
Okay, so let's do
Ooh, it's a little. There we go. I mean, that's kind of. We'll figure it out. It's just the conversions aren't. Oh.
Okay, down here what's missing is just the conversion.
Yeah.
So let's read the problem and then we'll just go refer to the conversion.
Yes. So we're just converting. We're going from inches to centimeters. So let's go and set up a proportion.
Okay.
Let's start with inches over centimeters.
Can I do centimeters over inches?
Absolutely.
As long as I'm
Yep.
consistent.
Yep.
Okay.
I just always stick the first one on top. That's what I do. What is the conversion factor?
We're inches, 1 inch
So 1 inch, I stick that with my inches,
and 2.54.
is 2.54 centimeters. Sometimes it can help if you go inches, centimeters. If you want to throw that in there, it doesn't hurt.
And you don't have to.
You don't have to.
And the 8 is going to go on the bottom.
No, it's an inch.
That's
the inches
right.
are on top.
Inches goes on top.
And that's
I
X.
wonder if they really think I'm like really lost.
I hope they don't, because we all get
I
that
hope they
little
do. I hope
lost.
they can hear it in our
Man,
voices.
Miss Green didn't even know where to put
She
that.
didn't know where to put it.
I'm pretending to be a
We're
student,
pretending
y'all.
to, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So now I'm just going to multiply. 8 times 2.54 is?
8 times 2.
17.20.
20.32.
You were off.
You got it 50, remember, because when you double it out.
Equals 1x. Oh, hey, I don't even have to divide.
Because
Actually-
of the 1. If you divide anything by 1, it's that thing.
So it's 20.32.
Cool.
That really was Miss Green giving a legit 16 answer, but
She tried.
I didn't have a calculator. Thank
Yeah,
you. Round
it's all good.
of applause.
Normally, when you guys are doing this, you
I
don't
just
get
want
the
them to know.
calculators. We can write it out if we ever wanted to, but we're trying to keep your videos not over 10
Oh,
minutes.
they will write it out.
So you guys
2.54 times
will write
8.
it out.
Yes.
You'll remember your decimal rules, move it over. It's all good.
It's fun.
It's great.
If we get 100% of students passing their quizzes, there's a chance I may allow calculators.
Hey, I might too. 100% passing their video quiz. They can use their
Miss
calculator.
Newsom's
for the day.
mean.
There's
I'm
a
not.
chance I may allow the calculator.
I may allow a calculator too.
If there's 100%,
100%. Think about it that way.
I was going to
100%.
say I would do.
Here,
I
wait-
would do
wait for this, Miss Newsom.
what the kids are doing.
100% that watch their video and 100% on their video quiz.
Oh, God,
And-
what are the odds?
and here's the thing.
What's the probability of
What's the probability
Dude,
of
they're
that?
doubting you. Miss Green totally believes. So look, as you're watching your video right now, text all your friends
Get
and
them
tell
to
them
watch
to
their video.
watch their video.
That
so
you'll
that
get
we,
a calculator in class.
if we get 100% watching this video, you get to use a calculator in class. Come on.
Do it.
Are you going to make me do that too?
Yes,
I am. We will go into Miss Newsom's
Miss
class if
Newsom's
we
class
have to.
will make her do it too. Now we're going liters to quarts.
quarts.
By the way, I meant to say this, and Miss Newsom, you forgot to remind me. This
sorry.
little like symbol thing. I don't
Oh.
know if you guys know what this is.
Well-
Wait, it kind of looks like an equal sign.
It kind of looks like an equal
But
sign.
it's like
Equal sign looks like this, and this one's like,
like two
it's
S's.
a little
Like,
unsure. That is actually approximately.
Yep.
So that means this is approximately. It's not 100% the
About.
same. It's about.
because these are all estimations.
It's an
so
estimation. These decimals, there's more that go on. They're irrational numbers.
They're so irrational.
So irrational.
crazy.
You'll learn more about those next year in 8th grade. Irrational numbers are fun. Now, what is our ratio? What are we comparing?
Liters to quarts.
So liters over quarts.
Okay, we've got 1.06 quarts
Okay, so that goes on the bottom. 1.06
and
quarts
1 liter.
over 1 liter equals
50 quarts on the bottom.
50 quarts on the bottom.
X on the top.
X on the top. 1 times 50 is 50. and 1.06 times x. We're going to divide by 1.06, divide by 1.06, x equals
What are you dividing?
50 divided by 1.06. It's going to be close.
It's close to 47.17.
47.17.
Sure. And I'm gonna
And
tell
that
you guys,
again, what is my I keep forgetting. Oh, it's liters, right?
right.
Yes.
Yes.
Always include your
Units.
Units. That's what it's called. Units. Measurement.
But I'm gonna
units.
tell you guys right now, if you just write 47, I'm okay with that. If you write 47.1, I'm okay with that too. If you write 47.2, I'm okay with that too. As long as we see your work and you're getting a good estimate, as
Yeah.
long as you
Because
didn't get,
it's already estimating.
It's an
already.
estimate, yeah.
if you got 471, that tells
That
me
would
that you
be-
weren't
yeah.
careful with your decimal and it's wrong. But as long as your numbers are pretty close, you're gonna be fine.
Yes. So that is it, guys. We're out.
Peace out.
We're gonna have fun with converting measurements and maybe some body parts.
100%.
Call your homies, get them to watch the video.
100% calculator.
100% calculator. Peace.
Bye.